Hello guys, I am back with Renault Talisman with this system, and the problem is that I want to connect my phone with the Bluetooth and use this source signal button, but it doesn't work. And if I press the radio, and here should be like option like sources, I just see the radio, no Bluetooth option, although this car has Bluetooth. I as well try to turn it off and on, but it doesn't work. So let's try reset. So on, off, and then 5 seconds, just hold this one. Okay, and now I have to wait a little bit till it will restart, and we'll hope that this will fix the problem. As well, I'm driving right now a little bit, so I think you can do it well in the movement as well. So if you need any time restart your center console, well, this might be how you do it. Okay, it took like about plus minus a minute to restart this one. I don't know why video stopped, but if you're charging phone, you will see that while it's still off, it will just give you electricity. And as well, yeah, you don't need to press the buttons, just wait, and now you can press the start button. And now we'll see if the Bluetooth will work or not. Oh, you see the Bluetooth just appeared. So hard reset might help you to fix the problem if you suddenly lost your Bluetooth. I know, probably some error inside the computer. Good old restart, nothing more or less.